Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, my name is Samudaya Putra from 1110 class, and I will do my text from Miss Dayang. And for that, thank you for Miss Dayang for the education. So, what the inside of the novel is tell us about our main character. His name is Mayang, that confused has to be chose who is the perfect person that want to be his future husband. For the first person is named Bima, and the second person is Panji. So the story began when Mayang family wants to Mayang get married because she family afraid that he's getting older and cannot marry again. There is two men that have Mayang choice. The first person is Bima and the second person is Panji. So the first person is Bima. Mayang know Bima because she is in the same university and he's know much more about Bima characteristic, and also Bima is a basketball player, a handsome person, and a smart person and a good person also. Second person is Panji, that Maya doesn't know who is he, and he knows because he know his big family, and the big family know Panji much. So the problems of the story is for Mayang that she's so confused because from him who is the best person that must be she chosen, or be as she his husband. For Panji, because he doesn't know who is Panji, and she knows Panji because from his family, and if he choose Bima, he will make she family maybe disappointed. After all, if she choosing Panji, he will make Bima disappointed from him because he a friend for Mayang for long. So after the story, we know what will happen after many problems inside of her. So for my positive critic is a good novel that will makes much teenagers to thinking about choosing space Beyonce maybe for the future, for the next step of married, maybe for his husband or wife. Negative critics is for the readers, the teenagers. Why? Because the teenagers cannot know what the deep mean inside of this novel. Because the teenagers still young and want to free, maybe it's like that. For me, this was a good novel for myself because this accidentally is just experience for my life, and maybe next I have to choose a person to be married.